Okay, the second question states that using opposite angles test for a parallelogram, prove that every rectangle is a parallelogram. Now they have given us a rectangle and we have to prove that that rectangle is a type of a parallelogram, and they've also said how, that is by using this opposite angles test. Now, how do we use this opposite angles test? We know that one of the tests of a parallelogram states that if the opposite angles in a quadrilateral are congruent, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So, we will say that in a rectangle, the opposite angles are congruent, therefore it is a parallelogram. So, what is given? That quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. So, we'll write given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. What are we to prove? That this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we start with the proof. We have here quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. How do we know it is a rectangle? Because it was given. So we write here given. Now what is the property of a rectangle? We know that in a rectangle every angle is a right angle, or every angle measures 90 degrees. So can we say that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree? So I'll write here angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Okay, why? Because the measure of the angles of a rectangle are 90 degree. Now once we have written this, again we remember we have to use the opposite angles test. So among these, which will be the pairs of opposite angles? Angle A and angle C, the alternate angles. Angle A and angle C will be one pair of opposite angles, and angle B and angle D will be another pair of opposite angles. Therefore, I can write, therefore, angle A is equal to angle C and number it as 1, and angle B equal to angle D and number it as 2. So, from 1 and 2, we are saying both the pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Then, if both the pairs of opposite angles are congruent or equal to each other, can we say that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram? Yes, by using the opposite angles test. So here we will write congruent because the statement says that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are congruent. And we'll complete the statement from 1 and 2. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. How did we confirm it is a parallelogram? By using the opposite angles test, which states that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are congruent.